Hello everyone, welcome back to AFARCO. In this video, we will introduce the stability of the AF feeder. As you can see in the video, the machine is operating with plastic component grills. This is a type of component grill where components can easily jump out if the feeder operated with too much torque or has a large vibration. We have optimized the design and created a component that applies a compression torque onto the component grill, helping it become more stable and move gently. That is why our AF feeder doesn't experience component jump issues like other 3D printed feeders. Thank you for watching.